Aharashayina Sakasheshe, Dr. Jane Ruth Acheng, Minister w'Byamagara, ahituraho ya Nyabukungu Health Center Akashatu, Omugomboro ya Rugando District, ya Rwampara Beitu atakarigwireho, abandu zo kurambara kandi tushanjure ngo irwarere rutwire rutarukora abarwire batwire mbatsindukwa ariyacunani. Aha Minister Cheng nuhaburize in charge abashaho hamwe na DHO kana na katano amahisho gakabazoka.
I was disappointed. And I want to apologize to all of you on behalf of my health workers. That is not how we should be working.
Acheng ahona yoreture ngo irwarere rekatunga byene birukwetagisa okubasa kutandika kora bayitwana bitura bicinjereine.
Have equipment, very beautiful.
Muine byoma birunjo mundom bikija birum.
The beds are there, very beautiful.
Ebitanda birum.
Delivery beds, very new. Covered with policy.
Ebitanda byo kuzarra. Birohonde bisya bichonda kavera.
Everything is new but locked up.
Omkwehozaho Senior John Michael orukore by'amagara mu district ya Rampara azizerengo batwire bayina bashaho batarakumara.
Kayugift project niga project za government ngazezo mwaka cyakanya gamba 2024 kikabaho namaze kunka tukashanga mu district twina abakozi bake mu nonga kandi abakozi bake twayo mabare yagani gasigaza busha tutajangu eri abari bakumeni bakora namaze manini ngirango ibabere gukora kunka obuhereza bwena batakwita abo kujya mu bari tungwire bari ya idara rimwe ya health center tu bari twara center feri.
Ashinde tutashemize Minister Acheng no kugira ngo Shahina Sakasheshe zimuhishiza hirwarere ashanjure abashaho bari mutwigana.
Yohereza abashaho abarata bo mutima abelire kohereza abantu.
Not the ones who open their doors at 11.
Batayaro abakwigura irwaruro ninge amakagabo shahitano zakasheshe.
You imagine if they come to see me, the minister, at 11. What about you and you? They may even ask you, what have you come to do?
Mweshati nyawe oba yakira shahitano haciye waburijo ko kwizana bajyango turasa kubuze cyuja ko
tinka kireba gace nareberizo aro washora takashushuire nishoke aya batwata kubi twasha kuberizo bakonkaranga neja kutwaza. I came I'm putting pressure on them. I know they are like oyaja kugenda, but always I tell them that even if I go I have to leave legacy here. If you don't want to work, pack your things and leave. We look to others. Education, we are doing well. Wonderful. We are the fifth in the whole country. The fifth district. But POE. But yes, it is a problem.
Nabwanyuma Minister akwatanisa n'abembezi ba Rampara nuko kwiguraho irwarero ombutongore. 1-0. Irwareri rakahwa kombeka omwaka guhire kandi miliyoni renda nizo zakoresiwe okuryombeka. Gasha kwa Susan Charasim.